How to change receiver's name in Remitly. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change receiver's name in Remitly. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open the Remitly application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Now, in order to update the recipient's name, you will need to first locate the recipient's icon at the bottom, which is next to the home icon. Once you find this icon at the left side, simply tap on this option and then here you will be able to see the list of recipients that you have sent or transferred previously. From here, locate the recipient that you would like to change the name of. Once you find the receiver or the recipient here, simply tap on their name in order to open it. Now inside it, look for the edit option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you locate it, simply tap on this option and now you will be able to edit the details. Simply clear the previous name and then enter the correct one. Once after entering it, simply scroll a bit down and at the very bottom you will be able to locate the save button. Simply tap on it to save the changes. Wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have successfully changed the receiver's name in Remitly. Now you can come back to the previous page by tapping on the arrow at the top left corner of your screen and then there you will be able to see the changes. Also, if you would like to add a new recipient, then you can simply tap on the add button or the option at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can change receiver's name in Remitly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.